Hello everyone, here's a brief tutorial on how to use the Victorian Web online database. To access the Victorian Web database, go directly to victorianweb.org in your address bar. Here's the site's homepage. On the left, you can see links to information about the site. The main display features links to the main topics of Victorian Web. I would recommend that you begin by clicking the Victorianism and Introduction links to familiarize yourself with the general information. To go back to the home page, click the links at the top or bottom of the page, Victorian Web Home and Victorian Web. You can browse by choosing a topic. Each link takes you to a page that narrows into more specific topics, and each topic has a page with information. You can start with Gender Matters, go to Images of Women, the Femme Fatale, and the Femme Fatale's object. And here you see the page, including the reference. To search specific topics, use the search link featured here. This provides a Google search within the Victorian Web database. Here you see the pages within the site that relate to your terms. The Victorian website is useful for beginning your Victorian history or Victorian literature research. Thank you.